I'm Ben from Quattro Design Architects, and today we're here at Stroud Library to check on the progress of the project. To the right hand side, we're going to have some of the innovation lab and some offices and meeting space. And on the outsides, we are looking to have more of the private areas, the quiet areas for people to sit down and relax and to read. We don't have all of the bookshelves in here, and over here will be the soft furnishings, just the comfy areas for people to come and relax. The idea is to have like 2 or 3 areas for this to happen and try and make them a bit more private. Again, we have some more bookshelves to separate the two. And towards the top end, again, where we have the reception, we're going back past the main entrance, we will have the children's area. There'll be a lot of bespoke shelving, lots of seating, and just, again, comfy, safe areas for the children to use. I'm really excited to be back here at Stroud Library now. The building works have been completed and the project has been handed over to Gloucestershire County Council. Here we have the Innovation Lab. A range of services here is the laser cutter, we have the 3D printing facilities and the audio recording equipment.